Hi there, this is Bing. I'm excited to share with you some tips and tricks on how to use turmeric for health and beauty. Turmeric is a spice that comes from the root of the curcuma longa plant, which is related to ginger. Turmeric has a bright yellow color, a warm and bitter taste, and a distinctive aroma. Turmeric has been used for centuries in Asian cuisine, medicine, and cosmetics. Turmeric has many benefits for your health and beauty, thanks to its main active ingredient, curcumin. Curcumin is a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound that can help prevent and treat various conditions, such as arthritis, diabetes, cancer, Alzheimer's disease, and skin problems. Here are some of the ways you can use turmeric for health and beauty. For health, you can consume turmeric in different forms, such as powder, capsules, tea, milk, or smoothies. You can also add turmeric to your food, such as curries, soups, rice dishes, or salads. Turmeric can help you improve your digestion, boost your immunity, lower your cholesterol, regulate your blood sugar, and protect your liver. However, you should be careful not to consume too much turmeric, as it may cause side effects such as nausea, diarrhea, or allergic reactions. You should also consult your doctor before taking turmeric supplements if you have any medical conditions or are taking any medications. For beauty, you can apply turmeric topically to your skin or hair for various purposes. You can make a turmeric face mask by mixing turmeric powder with yogurt, honey, or lemon juice. This mask can help you reduce acne, lighten scars, brighten skin tone, and fight wrinkles. You can also make a turmeric hair mask by mixing turmeric powder with coconut oil or olive oil. This mask can help you prevent hair loss, stimulate hair growth, and add shine to your hair. However, you should be careful not to stain your skin or clothes with turmeric, as it can be hard to remove. You should also do a patch test before applying turmeric to your skin or hair to avoid any allergic reactions. I hope these tips will help you use turmeric for health and beauty. If you want to learn more about turmeric and its benefits, you can check out these websites. 8. Thank you for watching this video and joining me on this journey of turmeric exploration. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. See you next time.